Cengage Learning, McGraw-Hill, Pearson, and Wiley eTextbooks can be accessed via the same platform, which is VitalSource. VitalSource Bookshelf allows users to get instant access to all the eTextbooks under subscription. The loan entitlement for all eTextbooks are the same. You can borrow 5 titles from each publisher, respectively. However, the loan period varies. The eTextbooks will be returned automatically when the loan period has ended. You can access to the eTextbooks via the library website. Select Online Resources tab and click on eBooks. From here, you can choose Cengage Learning eTextbooks, McGraw-Hill, Pearson, or Wiley eTextbooks from the list. Log in to the Online Resources Access page with your intranet username and password. Then click on I agree to the terms and conditions, and also proceed to accept the information to be provided to the service upon prompted. To begin, register a VitalSource Bookshelf account. Select Continue with Google and sign in with your TAR UMT Gmail account. After signing in, you will see the Explore tab. You can find the eTextbooks by category, like Recommended for You, Trending, Recently Added, or by subjects. Besides browsing through the covers on the Explore tab, the search bar here allows you to search the book by ISBN, title, author, or publisher. These are the search results. From here, you have the option to search inside book and add to favorites. Or you may click here to view the book's details. From here, you can see the status of the eTextbook, total copies left, and other details. Click on Borrow button to check out the book. You can click Open Book to read it after borrowing it. From here, you can also see the loan period, or you can click the Return button to return the book earlier when you're no longer using it. By returning the book, you are actually freeing up your loan quota. After opening the book, you can click on the magnifying glass to search across the book contents. You can change your reader preferences here. Besides that, you can view the highlights, notes, bookmarks, and flashcards too. You can also click on More Options to see other features like Read Aloud, Print, and etc. There are 2 ways to check on the books that you have borrowed. The first option is from My Library tab. Click on the More Options. You will be able to see the Open Book, Book Details, Return, and Add to Favorite options. Another way is to click on the Borrowed Items button on top of the page. You may browse through titles that you have already borrowed from here and manage them easily. Simply click on Return to return the books that you no longer needed. You may add any books as your favorites and manage them via the Favorites tab. To read the ebooks offline, you need to install the VitalSource Bookshelf application. Click on My Account and select Download Apps to install the Bookshelf app on your device. From the Bookshelf app, click Download Book and read it offline using the app. The features in the Bookshelf app are similar to the web version. Try it out today.